David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
This is an incredible 1988 Volvo 240. Only 52,000 miles, it's in time-warp condition. First owner had for 25 years, bought it from Mantles Volvo, had it serviced by them all the way through and then sold it back to them. Dealer principal kept it until I bought it some years ago. Headlamp wash white. She's picture perfect inside as well, totally unworn, spotless headlining, lovely door card, Volvo speakers, really clean in the front as well, excellent seats, fabric's perfect, both on the driver's side and the passenger side, excellent dash as well, there's no cracks, look at these carpets, perfect. She's heated front seats, long wave, medium wave radio cassette with electric aerial, heating, just the 52,000 miles, electric front windows, comes with 2 sets of keys, lovely unworn steering wheel, and here's the boot, also spotless. All the original stickers still here, and as for the engine bay, also like new. Timing belt has just been changed 1,000 miles ago. Look at this, absolutely brilliant. If only all cars were like this. Comes with a massive history file, here's the book pack, and stack of invoices. Let's go for the spin. Starts first, turn of the key. This Volvo was powered by the 2-litre engine. That's a 5-speed gearbox. All working very well, as you imagine, with only 52,000 miles on it. Third, fourth, fifth. Drives extremely well. There's no wind noise, no bangs or rattles. It's a really unbelievably clean car. Front electric windows working fine. There's a long medium wave radio, a very effective heater. It has front heated seats. This really is a fabulous car. I do believe it surely must be one of the best available on the market today. Priced at €9,950, this car comes with an NCT till 922 and €56 road tax till 522. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.